Hi, greetings to you all. We are Dermeric, a company making herbs in liquid form, extracting the best out of herbs. These products make herbal nutrition very convenient, super easy to use, at the same time keeping it quite effective and delicious. We call them herbal drops and rebranding them now as One Drop Wellness. Consuming these drops is better than consuming fresh herbs because they contain the goodness of large quantity of herbs in a small drop and they are better absorbed by the body apart from other advantages such as portability and shelf life. We've been working on this product for the last 2.5 years with a single motto of making daily dose of herbal nutrition as easy as drinking a glass of water. These drops can be consumed wherever you want, whenever you want, and however you want. We make use of a modern nanotechnology method to make this product. This is a proprietary technology that we have developed. This method offers multiple benefits compared to conventional extracts. The most important benefit is its increased bioavailability and making it colorless in water. It also auto dissolves in any liquid, which is also an important benefit. So this range of products is a new category by itself. There are plenty of use cases, meaning there are many reasons for customers to make a habit of consuming herbs in their day-to-day life. The most important one being use of these drops with water. One can replace normal drinking water with this herbalized water and enjoy the daily dose of different herbs to keep the doctor away. Customers, be it mothers, grandmas, dads, chefs, dietitians, and even mixologists, appreciate the never before convenience of these products. We have a Dial Our Dietitian program, a service that's available pre and post purchase that helps customers know about dosage, applications, recommendations, etc. Similarly, for industrial customers, we have a panel of renowned chefs who help with technical interventions. We test launched the product in September 2020. However, we have not started operating in full scale yet, despite identifying distributors and stockists. We are studying the interventions and methods that really work. We are present in 5 cities in around 10 stores and there have been decent repeats. We've conducted 5 dietitian meets in Gurgaon, Mumbai, and Chennai and have had one-to-one meeting with over 100 dietitians, out of which around 12 are placing orders and have started recommending to their clients as well. We also conducted an event recently in a gated community in Madurai and could convert over 2% of the population in one day. Moreover, there are plenty of industrial use cases leading to B2B sales. These products solve some key problems that exist in flavoring milk, beverages, honey, snacks, and sweets. We have also launched it in Amazon Launchpad and have a separate brand page, but have temporarily put it on hold due to our rebranding exercise. This is our unit economics. The products that we sell online range from rupees 400 to 1500. We sell 3 different packs online. Offline store ticket size is from 150 to 300. We sell only one pack size here. We also have combo packs that we call as kits, like diabetic kit, immunity kit, etc. The ticket size varies from 400 to 2000. The gross margin is from 35% to 40%. In case of B2B and export orders, the margins are a little more attractive. Here's our projection. We target to achieve over 7.5 crores in the first 12 months of our operation. We want to go slow in the first year, so these are really very conservative estimates. In the first 3 months, we target to make 40 sales per day online, all channels put together, and just one per day per shop in 25 stores in 5 cities. Similarly, in the last quarter, we target around 360 bills per day online, again all channels put together, and just 4 per day per shop in 60 stores. We become cash positive in the Q1 of the second year. These projections are for the second and third year. We target 20 crore turnover in the second year and around 50 crores in the third year with the current funding. This is our team, Bala, me, Rajesh and Vinod. Bala has over 15 years of experience in tech and startups. Me, Rajesh, Vinod have each 25 years of experience in the respective fields, and each of us have some achievement to remember and talk about during our career. We have joined together here as friends and partners and determined to take Turmeric forward. I take care of production, Bala takes care of operations, Rajesh takes care of branding and advertisement, and Vinod takes care of sales and exports. We started with 7 products and have 10 products now. The products are designed keeping in mind the solution that it offers and its market potential. In parallel, we have also been developing recipes for using these products and have a dedicated team working on the same. We will be launching 4 more in the coming months. We are also developing solutions for food industry and hope to be very successful soon. With the right team and with the right products and above all the right time, we are very hopeful of making it a big success. Looking forward to working with you all. Thank you very much.